Hi guys, I'm Priyanka
And I'm Deepika and we are back with another video.
So today we'll be revamping our old kurtis in jacket and shrug.
One of our subscribers requested, so yeah, if you're interested then keep on watching.
So for this you will need old kurtis,
Chalk, fabric glue,
fabric scissors and measuring tape. So today we'll be revamping two of our old kurtis.
and for this DIY we need a short kurti
Now take chalk and come straight down from the neckline
as shown in the video and then cut it. Now take that piece and cut the neckline and then fold it and then cut it into half.
After that, keep half an inch allowance and cut the fringes. Now loosen the fringes by pulling each strand at a time.
Now with the help of fabric glue, seal the side slits and then let it dry.
Now hem the front flaps with the help of the fabric glue. After gluing it, let it dry.
Now take both of the strips and glue them together. Now glue the strips to the kurti as shown in the video. Now cut the excess and let it dry for some time. And this is how it will turn out.
So now we'll be revamping this long kurti into Indian style jacket.
Now fold the front part of the kurti as shown in the video. Now we are going in 2.5 inches from the neckline and giving it a slight curve till the placket ends. Now come all the way down and leave 7 inches on the side seams and then cut it.
Now it's time for the strings. Now cut the fabric in such way that you will get two long strips for the strings of the same size.
Glue the middle part and then roll it to form a string. Now glue the front flaps as shown in the video and let it dry. Now glue the strings and let them dry for a while. This completes our DIY. I hope you liked this video.
And if you liked it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and do subscribe to our channel.